Assalamu Alaikum sisters, I hope you are all doing well. First of all, I want to apologize for being inactive for the past few weeks. Many of you were asking where I disappeared to. The reason is that I had my college exams, so I wasn't able to create content regularly. But today I had to come here because I have some important news for sisters who want to study the Qur'an in a structured way. A new batch of the Maryam Institute Qur'an Program is starting in July 2026, inshallah. And before I tell you about the program, let me share something personal. Alhamdulillah, I am currently enrolled in the 3-year Qur'an program at Maryam Institute, and my annual exams are starting on 22 June. Please remember me in your duas. Many sisters ask me about my experience, so I thought I would share it honestly. My experience has been very positive, alhamdulillah. Our Tafsir teacher, Alima Sobia Hazen, teaches beautifully. The classes are not just about translation and commentary. She constantly connects the Qur'an to our daily lives and helps us understand how we can apply the lessons of the Qur'an in practical ways. The teachers are supportive, organized, and respectful. Everything is conducted on time. Classes are held live on Zoom, and recordings are also provided, which is extremely helpful if you miss a class due to studies, work, or family commitments. Now let me explain what this program actually is. The Qur'an program is a 3-year online degree program dedicated to studying the translation and commentary of the entire Qur'an. The goal is not only to understand the meanings of the Qur'an but also to strengthen our relationship with Allah and improve ourselves spiritually. At the beginning of the program, students also learn important Qur'anic sciences, including how the Qur'an was revealed, types and causes of revelation, compilation of the Qur'an, sources and methodology of tafsir, principles of understanding the Qur'an correctly. Then students move into the detailed study of the entire Qur'an. Now let's talk about the schedule. Starting July 2026 days, Monday and Wednesday class timings. PM New York, PM UK, PM WA, PM Pakistan. Time commitment is only around 2.5 hours per week. And one thing many sisters ask about, this program is completely free. There is no registration fee, there are no monthly fees, there are no hidden charges. Alhamdulillah, it is completely free of cost. Now let me explain how assessments work. Assignments are checked properly and feedback is given. There are midterm and annual exams. Attendance is also marked regularly. To receive the diploma at the end of the 3 years, students must maintain at least 80% attendance. However, the institute understands that students may sometimes miss classes because of work, studies, or family responsibilities. That's why recordings are available for registered students so they can catch up later. Another important point. If you simply want to listen and benefit without taking exams or assignments, you can enroll as a listener. However, listeners do not receive certification and do not get access to recordings. I also want to mention something very important. Please do not join any Islamic program only because of excitement. Whether it is Tafsir, Fundamentals, or Alima Studies, these programs require commitment. Before applying, ask yourself honestly, can I attend classes? Can I complete assignments? Can I stay consistent for the sake of Allah? Because seeking sacred knowledge is a beautiful journey, but it requires dedication. If you are looking for a structured way to study the Qur'an, I genuinely think this is a beautiful opportunity, and as always, I encourage everyone to do their own research and choose what suits them best. Also, if you know about any beneficial Islamic programs or institutes for sisters, please share them in the comments so everyone can benefit. I will also continue sharing updates about new batches, admissions, Alima programs, Tafsir programs, and other Islamic learning opportunities, inshallah. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe so more sisters can benefit. May Allah grant us beneficial knowledge, sincerity, and the ability to act upon what we learn. Ameen.